Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to get true stretch Res Valorant. So first, you just have to simply launch your Valorant application or game. Make sure that this one is the updated version. And then what you want to do here is to simply go to the settings and then you're just going to resolution settings to windowed, and you have to make sure that under this monitor you click this fill and apply, and then once done you can now simply close settings. Okay, so for resolution windowed, for monitor you have to keep this fill and apply. Once done, you have to download this Win Explorer right here. This is what it looks like. Now you have to refresh this one first. Tap refresh, and then here you have to locate Valorant, go to style, and then make sure that you uncheck this WS border here. Now go to size and position and make sure you tap this as maximize. Once done, you can now exit this one. And then what you're gonna do next is simply go to the search bar, and then at this time you have to look for NVIDIA. So type NVIDIA here, open, and then here, what you want to do is simply change the following resolution. So go to custom and make sure that you tap this 1280 by 1080. Tap this one here. And then after you have customized a resolution, it will ask you to simply change or apply the settings. So once you change this one, you will see this notification your desktop configuration has changed. All you have to do is just simply tap yes. And that's it. First, you just have to change your Valorant resolution, then change settings once you download this Win Explorer, and then after that, open your NVIDIA and change resolution. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.